Okay, I'm going to write the pie class. So it's been a while since we've done this. That's why I thought it'd be a good thing for us to do. You say class pie, capital P, open and close curly brackets. All right, a pie object has three variables, Boolean covered. So remember, all variables at the top of a class have to be private. So private Boolean covered, private string filling, and private double price. Okay, so that's our three variables. I know I'm going fast. You can pause if you need to. Pie object has two constructors, one that takes no arguments. So remember, a constructor just has the word public and then the name of the class. No arguments means empty parentheses there. And then inside the curly brackets, we're going to set, it creates a covered apple pie that costs $14.99. So we say covered equals true, filling equals apple, and price equals $14.99. Okay, so there's we call that a default constructor. Here's another constructor that takes the arguments in this order: a string, a Boolean, and a double. So we say string F for filling, Boolean C for covered, and double P for price. And you don't want to use the word filling, the word covered, and the word price because we already have those variable names in use. It just gets more complicated if you use exactly the same names. And now we're going to say filling equals F, covered equals C, and price equals P. At this point, I think we should be able to even run our test code. It prints out, these hash symbols because we haven't yet written a toString. So I'm asking you to make a toString that says covered apple pie and the price. Or if it's not covered, it doesn't say covered and it says the price. So let's do this right here. Public string toString. And we're going to say if covered. Now you could say if covered equal true, but that's the same. Since covered is a Boolean variable, we can just say if covered. And we're going to return one thing here, and then else we're going to return another thing. So if it's covered, we're going to say, I'm looking down below, covered space plus filling plus pie, comma space, and $, plus price. Looks like it. And I just copied it. I'm pasting it here. And so for the non-covered one, we just don't have the word covered on it. That should be good. Covered apple pie, $14.99. Key lime pie, $13.99. There we go. So that's it. Oh, psych. And the last part is I asked you to make one more pie. So pie ship equals new pie shepherd's pie. Oh no. Chicken pot. Chicken pot. True. And my chicken pot pie is pretty sweet. It's going to be $20.12. You don't get to do chicken pot pie in my price. You do your own. Oh, denied. Just left off the semicolon. Covered apple pie, key lime pie, covered chicken pot pie, $20.12. There you go. So you can't do chicken pot pie. You got to do something else. Thanks.